Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the solving comparing problems. So the aim of today is to solve story problems on comparing and arranging 4-digit numbers in order. Okay. So whenever we are going for the assembly, our teacher used to request us to stand in a line according to your height, right? Do you know where to stand in a line based on height? Yes, we compare how tall we are with the others in the line. If we are taller than one person, we compare our height with the next person in the line. We continue until we find the person who is taller than us. Isn't it? Yes. So today we will solve the story problem based on comparing numbers. We compare and arrange the numbers in order in real life situations. When we compare prices, compare how tall or short we are, arrange the weight in order, and so on. Here we have one example. Can you see there are 3 boys' pictures given for you? Yes. So the first boy name is Abhi and the second boy name is Abdul and the third boy name is Mani. Okay. Down to the picture, the height of each and every boy it is given, right? So the Abhi's height is 125 centimeter. Abdul is 148 centimeter. Mani is 110 centimeter height. Okay, so nearby every number it is written with cm. The cm means centimeter. So the centimeter is the unit to measure the length. Okay, so Abhi is 105 centimeter tall and Abdul is 148 centimeter tall. Mani is 110 centimeter tall. Okay, so among these 3 boys we are going to identify who is shorter and who is taller. Okay, so by looking the height of each and every one. Okay, so see the numbers which is written down to each picture. So which is the smallest number? That boy is shorter one. Okay, see the number 125 and 148, 110. Compare all these 3 numbers. I find it which is smaller one. You can compare. We learned how to compare the numbers, right? Yes. So which is smallest one? 110. So whose height is 110 centimeter? Mani. So the shortest one is Mani. Okay. Now let us see who is the tallest one. Okay. So the tallest one, again see the height of each and every one. Find it which is the biggest number among all the 3 numbers, 125, 148, 110. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 148. Whose height is 148 centimeter? Yes, that is Abdul. So the tallest one is Abdul. Let us see one more example. Can you see there are 3 pictures given for you? The first one is fridge, second one is mobile phone, the third one is micro oven. So the cost of the fridge is rupees 9,500. The cost of mobile phone is rupees 7,050. The cost of micro oven is rupees 8,450. Now we are going to arrange the items in ascending order based on their cost. Okay. Now look at the numbers given which is given below to the picture and then we will arrange the cost from the smallest one to the greatest one. Okay, means ascending order. Means already we will know how to arrange the numbers in ascending order, isn't it? So ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to the greatest. Okay, now check the numbers. The first one it is given 9,500, second one 7,050, third one is 8,450. Compare the numbers and identify which is the smallest one. See the thousands please. So the first number it has 9,000, second number it has 7,000, third number it has 8,000. So 9, 7, 8. Which is the smallest one? Yes, 7 is the smallest one, right? So 7,050 is the smallest one. Okay. The next amount we have 9,500 and 8,450. So the next smallest amount is 8,450 and the greatest number is 9,500. Okay. Now let us arrange the items based on their cost. Okay. So the first smallest amount is 7,050. That is mobile phone. So the mobile phone is the smallest amount. Okay. So the next smallest amount is 8,450. That is micro oven. Okay. Then the last, the greatest amount is 9,500. That is fridge. So fridge is the greatest amount. Okay. Now let us see some more questions from the content book, page number 12, additional practice question. So question number 7. Solve the problems. The A question it is given there. Mark saved rupees 3,456 in April and rupees 3,489 in May. In which month did he save more? So the question asked is, he saved some of the amount in the month of April and in the month of May. So both the amount is given for us, isn't it? So the April month he saved rupees 3,456. So in the May month he saved the amount rupees 3,489. So here we have to find it in which month he saved more money. Okay. So in the April month or in the May month we have to find it. Okay. So we will compare both the months amount, how much he saved. Okay. Compare both the amount, both the numbers. Start compare from the thousands place. So here in the April month 3 in the thousands place, and in the May month amount also there are 3 in the thousands place, isn't it? So thousands are same. So next, which place value we have to compare? Yes, compare the hundreds. So the hundreds are 4 in the first number, second number also it has 4. So hundreds are so same. So what shall we do next? Compare the tens. So tens, in the first number we have 5, second number we have 8. So 5 and 8. So which is bigger number, 5 or 8? Yes, 8 is bigger. So the number 3,489 is the bigger number or greater number, isn't it? So Mark saved more money in the month of May. Okay. Now let us see one more example. The question number C. Geet ran 4,567 meters. The M it is written right. M means meters. Meters is the unit to measure the distance. How much distance he ran or she ran. Okay. So the next one, Joy ran 4,877 meters and Roy ran 5,177 meter in the same amount of time, the same track. Okay, it's nothing but like we used to have the running race during our PE period, right? Our PE teacher used to conduct the running race, right? So who used to run first? The first place, second place, teacher used to take the positions, right? Same like that. There are three friends, they had the running race. Okay, so each one ran in different distance. Okay, so the question A, what they asked here is, who ran the greatest distance? Okay, greatest means who ran more distance. So among these three numbers, we have to find the greatest number. Find it, which is the greatest number, 4567 or 4877 is greater, or 5177 is greater. Compare all these three numbers. Compare from the thousands place. The first number, it has 4 in the thousands, and second number, it has 4 in the thousands. The third number, it has 5 in the thousands place. So which is the greater number? 4 or 5, which is greater? Yes, 5 is greatest number, right? Yes, so 5177 is the greater number. Who ran that much distance? Yes, Roy ran the greatest distance, isn't it? So the first question answer is Roy ran the greatest distance. Okay, so now look at the question number B. Who ran the least distance? What is the meaning of least? Least means less distance. Okay, so we have to find it among all these three, who ran very less distance. Already we know that Roy ran greatest distance, more distance, isn't it? So leave this number. Now compare rest of the numbers, that is 4567 and 4877. Among these two numbers, which is the smaller number, we have to find it. Okay, again start compare from the thousands place. Thousands are 4 here. In the second number also thousands are 4. So thousands are same in both the numbers. So what place value we have to check next? Yes, we have to check the hundreds. So the first number, it has 5 in the hundreds place. Second number, it has 8. So 5, 8. Which is small one? Yes, 5 is smaller. So 4567 is smaller number, isn't it? So who ran this much distance? Yes, Geet ran the 4567 meters, isn't it? So Geet ran the least distance. Okay, next come to the question number 2. Roy cut a rope into 3 pieces. They were 4191 mm. Okay, the second one 4125 mm. The next one is 4189 mm long. Okay, mm also is the one of the unit to measure the length. Okay, which is the length of what is the length of the longest rope and the shortest rope? Again, there are 3 different numbers are given for you, right? Find it, which is the greatest number and which is the shortest one. So the greatest one, the greatest number, you have to write it in the longest rope place. Okay, so the shortest rope place you have to find, which is the smallest number, you have to write it in the length of shortest rope. Okay, so the last question, create a story problem based on ordering the numbers 2021, 2398 and 2345. You can make your own story problem. Okay, now we saw many different questions we saw, right? Even the question number 2 also you can refer it. These three numbers you have to use it and you have to make a story. Okay, so now I'll just give you one small hint. Based on that you can make your own story problem. Okay, this is up to you. You can make your own story problem. I'll just give you the clues how can you make a story problem. Okay, so you can write like I walked 2021 steps. Okay, my mother walked 2398 steps and my brother walked 2345 steps. Who walked more steps and who walked less steps? Like that you can make your own story problem. Okay, so next, today's homework is from the content book, page number 11, lesson 4. Complete only the question number 1 and question number 2. Do in the notebook. Okay, thank you.